Well, we're here in Lewis County, Kentucky. We're about to put together the range Pentagon hunting blind, and it looks good. Can't wait to get started.
We just got this blind today. It's packaged real well. It's lightweight. It's only 135 pounds.
Stand's coming along good. Literally all you got to do is put a bolt through here, and Keenan's grabbing a washer and a wing nut on the back, and all we do is just run the screw until it gets tight. It's really easy.
Alright, we now got all the walls together. It's real easy. It's real lightweight and really easy to move around. It's real spacious in there. Want to say that?
Yeah, walls go together really good. It's really nice material. Windows flop down easy. They got really nice hinges on them. Well, we got it together. We got the roof on and everything, and it looks good. It's really easy to put together. The Door opens up really nice. You can get inside. It's got tinted windows in it, so you don't get your silhouette on the back. So everything looks good. It went together good. So definitely recommend these stands, and they're affordable, easy to put together, lightweight. So go check them out. You can get them on Tractor Supply, Cabela's, Terrain Outdoors. Check them out. Well, we're so excited to be hunting out these Terrain Outdoors box stands this fall. We just want to say thank you to everyone at the Terrain Outdoors team for giving us this opportunity, but we're going to show you how to put your Terrain Outdoors box stand on an elevated platform, and also we're going to do a video of putting together the Terrain Outdoors Archer bow hunting blind. So look out for those videos, and we got links to these products in our description and on our website as well. So check them out. They're really great box stands. They're affordable. They're lightweight. They're just an all-around good box stand. Check them out. Terrain Outdoors.